Joining me to discuss the upcoming Property Entrepreneurship workshop is Johanna and Rita.
It is important to zoom into the concepts, although they're quite very wide. Entrepreneurship is really just the activity of setting up a property business with the hope of turning it into a profit. So you must be able to have the ability and willingness to innovate and take the risks in order to achieve your property goals investment. What is important really is the skill to combine three elements, which are the land, labor, and capital. So it is further important to really also put down or have a need for a vision and the ability and skill to identify economic opportunities in the property industry for you to be successful.
The property sector is probably the single most valuable, important one in terms of driving economic growth, and also currently being the basis of wealth creation in the country and internationally. Globally, property accounts for 70% held in real estate. It's absolutely crucial that as we are in a zero growth environment and are forward looking in trying to devise strategies of how we will boost our economy, going forward to scrutinize and look at property industries and the opportunities in it. Our number one priority is to create awareness in terms of opportunities that exist and expand on the people's definition of what the property industry is about in Namibia, and further understanding how to unlock these opportunities for all stakeholders, which includes estate agents, town planners, developers, the entrepreneurs themselves, and students. Well, there are a couple of mistakes, but one of the key ones are the following. They underestimate the cost of running a property. Secondly, they overestimate the income projections associated with a property. In other words, they have a too optimistic view of what the underlying property is worth. Anybody who understands any investment, including property, knows that it's not just about returns, but it's about returns and risks. It's about finding the balance of the two, and that becomes of critical importance. At the end of the day, the property entrepreneur must say, is the risk profile such that I can actually deal with it? So yes, some property opportunities are not for the faint-hearted. Property entrepreneurs is finding the opportunity of making the transaction or the deal happen.
The Property Entrepreneurship workshop will be on the 2nd of November 2019. That's on a Saturday morning, 9 o'clock to 12:30. You will find us at the Semshivute Inspiration offices in Auspanplatz at the Shapumba Towers.